Let's start with your first analysis. You can start with a one term. It could be a keyword, product name, or article title that should bring you traffic from Google. Let's start with something simple, best ranked shoes for women. You can choose search engine, for example, United States, language, and then just start. If you would like to, you can create multiple analyses at once, bringing multiple keywords to the table. Let's start it. And what happens now? Neuron use terms to analyze competition in Google SERPs, understand user intent, and generates semantic recommendations. It will take few seconds to get results. And as you can see, we will be back in 2, 3, 1. Yes, exactly now. So it's very, very fast to get the first results. When your analysis is done, the first what we have to do, we have to choose our right competitors. This is really important because if we choose right competitors, the recommendation will have much higher quality than with general competitors. What this means, it means like if you're looking on the keyword like best running shoes for women, you can understand already what Google prefers to give a users as an answer to this intent. So if you look on the top 10 pages or top 30 pages, you'll understand that here we have a comparison landing pages like 24, 26, 14 best, 15 best, and so on. So this is what Google understand from the user behavior metrics that the page that could rank high for best running shoes for women should be a comparison page. And this is really, really important to understand if your keyword and this what we get from Google SERPs, it's really much your intent. So if you are willing to create, for example, product page or a category page that probably best running shoes for women, it's not the right keyword. Because if you would like to rank for best running shoes for women, you have to, I really repeat, you have to follow up the user intent. And users, when they are searching for this query, they are willing to browse for some kind of recommendation. So they are really are going to compare the one type of shoes with another shoes, one type of producers with another producers, brand to brand, and so on and so on. So this is how Google understand the user intent, and this is also how you should go for the user intent as well. So in this first screen, you have to choose your competition. If you are not sure, you can just click next, but usually we just say like, okay, just take the best ones, few best, like I'd say like let's say like 8 best, and it's fine. If you see that the content score is low and so on and so on, you can just scroll down, you can choose something with a higher content score. Still, if they are talking about like, for example, 18 best running shoes, that's still fine and so on. And here you also have the length of the article. I wouldn't say longer is better, but if you are willing to really do a very extensive blog post, then of course it's better to compare yourself with articles which are longer. Okay, so if you choose this, just click next, and this is just one step before.